I'm going to show you how to create a fortune with AI-powered cryptocurrency investing. And how I'm going to do that is actually give you an AI cryptocurrency portfolio that you can actually start with just $1,000. See, in every cryptocurrency cycle, we have sectors that outperform the other sectors in crypto. We have had a DeFi boom, we've had an NFT boom, and we're going to see other booms in the market. Well, one of the sectors we're going to see shoot up like crazy in this crypto market is AI. And one of the reasons is it's a trending topic and it's going to continue to trend and bring out news over time. See, what happened with the metaverse boom was news kept on coming out with companies entering Sandbox and Decentraland. And the more news was coming out, the more hype was being created and people were getting into metaverse and then gaming, same thing. Well, the trend with AI right now is like nothing we've seen before. And this is going to continue as ChatGPT makes upgrades, as Elon Musk talks about the dangers, and so on. Bottom line is, AI should be part of your crypto portfolio, and if it's not part of your crypto portfolio, you're not going to make it big in this game. That said, let me show you a portfolio that you can get into right now with just $1,000 that can actually make you a fortune. Now, most of these AI cryptocurrencies can actually be bought on centralized or decentralized exchanges. I actually recommend Bybit. You can buy, you can sell, you can go long, you can go short, and I'll leave the link down below. You can even do margin or take a leverage, but be very careful if you're doing that. Make sure you know what you're doing. Also, if you don't have a Bybit account yet, but you're using other exchanges, make sure you sign up for Bybit, because you never know what happens with exchanges. You might need to transfer fast, take a trade fast. Make sure you are at least subscribed and ready to go if needed. Plus, it will help out this channel if you use that link down below, so please go ahead. Okay, so the first cryptocurrency we're going to look at, the first AI cryptocurrency for your AI crypto portfolio will be SingularityNET. For me, this is a blue chip in the AI cryptocurrency sector. I actually talked about this a couple of years ago, but I also said we weren't ready for AI. Well, now, with the narrative going on right now, I think we are ready. So Singularity should be part of your portfolio. So Singularity's vision is to be the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on blockchain. And their core mission is to develop artificial general intelligence, AGI, for beneficial technological singularity. So here they're going to be talking about the decentralized aspect of Singularity. You can scroll down to learn more all about their network here and what they do, about their technology, and so on. Now, Singularity is all great, but there's also a second competition to Singularity, at least when it comes to market cap, and that one's called Fetch.ai. Now, Fetch.ai is creating the infrastructure for smart autonomous services. And you can actually build, deploy, and connect smart agents to automate Web3 systems and reinvent business models. So build, deploy, and connect. That's what Fetch.ai is all about. Their agents learn, predict, and act to undertake meaningful tasks in the real world. And you can actually play with this agent technology today and discover how to reinvent the way we live and work. You can actually click try right here. So you can explore their tools here. I'm going to let you read and research this website yourself, but Fetch.ai should be part of your portfolio. These are the two blue chips, if you will, when it comes to AI at this time. It's your Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you will. That would be Singularity and Fetch.ai. By the way, don't worry, I'm going to tell you the allocations of your portfolio a little bit later in this video. I just want to tell you about the projects first and then tell you how we're going to split the portfolio a little later. So make sure you stay till the end of the video for that. Next up, we have the graph. Now, the graph might actually be one of the most important projects you can actually be in when it comes to crypto AI. See, the graph is not exactly AI, but what it does, it gives the foundation to be able to build on AI. This is because it acts like something like an oracle. Just like with Ethereum, Chainlink is an oracle that brings information outside the blockchain into blockchain. Well, that's kind of what the graph does for AI. So if you're building an AI project, the graph is your solution for this to create your infrastructure and so on. So make sure you check out the graph. Its ticker is GRT. And as you can see, it's already supported but with near and EVM compatible chains. The graph actually may be considered the biggest holding in this portfolio. It's actually the biggest blue chip, if you will, if you look at it in this perspective. So even though it's third in this list, it may actually have to be first. Moving on, and please, by the way, like this video if you're getting value so far, but moving on, we have Veyot AI. Now, Veyot is an AI-driven services powered by the first VFAA-regulated digital asset. And it offers a portfolio of blockchain-based AI assistance, on-chain intelligent contracts for businesses and consumers to provide automated services and transactions. They actually boast this to be faster, easier, and affordable. So featured in investing.com, CoinDesk, NASDAQ, Entrepreneur Europe, and so on, Veyot has a lot to offer, and I have a really nice video right here that actually explains Veyot, which you can watch. Its website is clean, you can learn about the use cases here, and they just joined the Polygon ecosystem, and as you know, I am a fan of Polygon. So Veyot has to be part of your crypto portfolio, of your AI crypto portfolio coming into this bull market. Now, so far, this is all great and dandy, but you need a little bit more of a risk when it comes to a portfolio. I mean, we have our blue chips, if you will, we have our mid stacks, but what about risky tokens that can give you huge gains, but are a little bit more risky? Well, this has to be part of your portfolio. Now, one of these projects that I mentioned is CryptoGPT, and I actually called this project quite a while ago, and it already 20 and 30x'd. Now, CryptoGPT has gone down since that, but it still has a lot of potential. See, it's starting to balance out. I mean, people got in early, they sold, but it's actually kept a very good price, a very good standard, and this means it might have a second wind, if you will, once news comes out and once this narrative comes back into play. Also, CryptoGPT has some amazing founders on their team. I mean, right here down at the bottom, if you scroll down, you will see that Dejan Ergia, and yes, I probably butchered the name here, but the ex-lead of Ripple's top decentralized wallet and exchange GitHub, an early pioneer of blockchain development, is actually in this project. And you can check out the rest of the people that are part of this project as well. Now, this is high risk. Do take profits once it pumps, if it pumps, but it's worth being put in your portfolio. Now, there is one more cryptocurrency project, AI cryptocurrency project, that can have massive gains, maybe 20, 30, or even 50x. And I want to include it in this portfolio for you. But it's not out yet. I just know about it because I'm an early investor. So I actually got into this project at a much better price than what you will get into. Now, you might be thinking, Paul, if that's the case, there are others like you that can also get in at a better price, which means that you're going to dump when this project releases. And while that's true, this project doesn't let you do that. It does have a locking period for investors like myself. So while we get a better price, we cannot dump the project or the price when it's released. We will only be able to, let's say, sell like 7.5% or 10%, I can't remember what it is, and then there's a locking period for 3 months, and then you can't even sell more than 10% every month, and so on. But this is how cryptocurrencies mostly work, so they can get the budget to be able to do their marketing and to be able to succeed. But if you want to learn about this project, I am going to be making a video about it, or at least include it in another portfolio, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss that video. But what about the allocations in this cryptocurrency AI portfolio? How much should you put in each project? Let's get into that. Okay, so we have $1,000 here, and what we want to do is allocate most of this into Singularity, Fetch.ai, and GRT. So when it comes to Singularity, let's say $200 should be invested in Singularity, another $200 for Fetch.ai, and $300 for GRT. That's $700, and it leaves us another $300 to invest. Well, that $300 can go into Veyot, CryptoGPT, CryptoGPT, obviously, okay, ignore the G here, I'm just gangster like that because I'm gangster, you know what I'm saying? I'm a G! And the new project I haven't mentioned yet in the video. This is key. And if you want to know what that project is, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the video on that project. Now, if you want another crypto portfolio with $1,000, because it's not just about AI, we need to diversify, then make sure you watch this video right here. This portfolio is great for you for $1,000, or watch this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.